So in addition to viewing logs and executing anonymous Apex code, we can also create classes directly from the SFDX CLI. And to do that, we do SFDX force Apex class create -n. The -n flag lets us specify a name for the class. Let's call this hello class. And hit enter. Cool, so it's automatically created the hello class and the hello class metadata. So let's take a look at that. So it's created our hello class and hello class metadata. So if we just type in here, let's just do that same thing we did earlier and just do system.debug. And let's say hello class. Save that. And now let's push that code to our org. So SFDX force source push. We see no results found. Okay, so let's go back. Let's take a look. Why is that? We have, if you've noticed, most of the code is in this force app/main/default. This was created in the top level directory. So what we can do is, what we're going to do is we're going to delete this because there's actually a flag that will let us specify the class from within the actual command line. So let's go back to our command line and ls, and what we can do is we can do rm hello class and then hello class -meta.xml. We do that, ls, they're gone. Perfect. Okay, so now what we can do is let's scroll up and go back to that other command we had. We have that hello class, but we can also specify the D flag. And this D flag lets us specify the directory that we're going to place it in. Actually, before we do this, let's actually define a class folder. So if we go into, we can just get rid of all this. We ls force app. We see main. Okay, so let's change into our force app/main. Let's change into default. And then we have our layouts, objects, permission sets, profiles. Perfect. So let's make a directory specifically for classes. And there it is. Let's change into classes. And let's print our working directory. So there's our path that we want right there. Okay, perfect. So let's change back to our learn SFDX folder. So we can do cd ... and one more. Okay, so let's go back up to our command where we are creating the classes. Alright, now we can also specify that D flag that will let us choose the directory, and based on this path, we're currently in this folder, so we want to specify this path. So we can do force app / remember to hit tab to autocomplete. You're also less prone to errors that way. Main / default / classes. Perfect. Okay, so let's create that Apex. Perfect. Okay, so it's created that class for us. So let's open it up in code again. And if we take a look at our classes, it's there. Perfect. So let's add that system debug again. Save that. And let's go back to our command line and do SFDX force source push. Cool, so now this is on our actual Scratch org.